everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Binge Travel Shop and Eat, and today again we are here to review perfumes and body mists. And here is a set of perfume that I received on my last birthday December, but I did not review these perfumes that time. Euphoria Carlton London set of 4 fragrances, so I'm going to review it one by one, these perfumes and also these body mists from Awesome, Watergirl, Zudio, and perfumes by Ajmal, Ascent and Silver Shade, and Rini's Citrus Blast. One by one we are going to start. Okay, so I'm going to tell you all about the fragrances and their notes, and everyone has different pheromones, so everyone has different likings towards the perfumes and body mists. So I might like something that you might not like, and you might like something that I might not like. Okay, so it all depends on your pheromones. So I'm going to start with Carlton London's my favorite, Muse. so crazy. Oh my god, I am in love with this perfume. It has all those notes that I like. I mean, orange, bergamot, mandarin, and jasmine, lily, tonka bean, and musk and vetiver are the notes. Top notes, middle notes, and base notes. These are the notes. Wow, I mean, we all have that sibling or best friend from whom we want to steal a perfume and we want to spray it all over. I want to do that with this one. I am so much in love. I will never forget this. Muse, Carlton London, signature worthy perfume. Now I'll take Carlton London Desire. It has notes like blackcurrant, grapefruit, orange blossom flower, and rose freesia, and patchouli and amber vanilla. Mild fragrance. It is not very strong fragrance. This was quite strong and I really liked it. This is very mild. I mean, okay, but this is very mild fragrance. I am not someone who likes so much of mild fragrances, and these are the notes. This is little bit smelling like, you know, fruity, flowery. I don't like fruity smells, and even sometimes some of the pharmaceutical pills or tablets smells like this sweetish smell. I didn't like it. Cross. Now I'll take blush. So I have written those notes because I don't remember the everything, you know. Lavender, bergamot, mandarin, jasmine, neroli, sandalwood, oak moss, musk. The smell comes like alcoholic at first, you know. Not my type. It is smelling different. It is smelling nice. It is more like alcohol. It is smelling more like alcohol. No, vodka type of smell. I mean, I'm not smelling those all the lavender smell was there. Bergamot was. I'm not able to differentiate those smells. I mean, jasmine I could not. Maybe on drying up it might smell different. Jasmine, yeah, because it was a middle note, and sandalwood, oak moss. Moreover, it smells like alcohol, like vodka, and mostly like those lavender and bergamot and mandarin. I don't know how mandarin smells like, but I have not liked this also. I only liked Carlton London Muse. So this is lush. Okay, mandarin, green, grassy notes, wild rose, iris, and sandalwood and musk. Oh. Grassy notes. This is different. This is not common. This fragrance is not common. But this is the fragrance which may be giving me headache. It is programmed in my mind like that in childhood, maybe, but I like some of the notes and I don't like some of the notes. It is like I'm curious. It is aquatic also, little bit aquatic smelling. Grassy notes, mandarin, wild rose, sandalwood, musk. Maybe sandalwood and musk. Because of sandalwood and musk, I have liked this. But not my favorite. I have liked it, but not my favorite. It is different. Like it is making me curious. Like, what's that fragrance? Like that. Carlton London Lush. But what defines me? Carlton London Muse is a signature worthy perfume. Now I will go to Rene's Citrus Blast. Okay. Again, I have already liked this perfume. So this perfume and Zudio Shine. These two are little bit similar. They have similar notes. Okay. So Rene's Citrus Blast has citrus accord, lemon orange bergamot and fresh musk, citrusy profile. This defines me. This defines me. Yes, 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 yes. Again, after Muse, Citrus Blast. Citrus Blast. Oh my god, I'm going to shower myself with this. So this is crazy. I'm in love with Citrus Blast. This defines me. One is Carlton London Muse and this is another. Zudio Shine also has similar notes like Citrus Blast, but it has little bit different fragrance. Like starting, it smells like alcohol. It has these notes: fruity citrus, floral sweetness, soft musk and vanilla or vanilla. Yeah, so that vanilla note differentiates it from Citrus Blast. So these are the differentiating points between these two. So I have liked this also, but this is my most favorite. This is the first most favorite, the Muse, and then this, and then this. Not much. It has vanilla fragrance and I don't like much of the vanilla or toffee. So I'll go with Silver Shade by Ajmal now. So here are the notes: lime, bergamot, plum, white floral accord, ambergris, musk, cedarwood, Ajmal. So very unique fragrance it has, you know. I liked it so much. Like, crazy, citrusy. It's not toxic, but it makes me curious. Like, it makes me attracted. Like in those advertisements, they show women get attracted toward men when they spray particular perfume. So this is the kind of perfume. I'm curious. I'm curious to know which fragrance is this. Oh my god, which fragrance is this? This is Silver Shade, and these are the notes, like top notes, middle notes, and base notes. Unique fragrance. It smells like spices at the end. There are no spices. There is cedarwood, musk, ambergris, white floral accord, and lime, bergamot, and plum. These are the notes of this fragrance. I just loved it. This is for men, actually. This perfume is for men, but I liked it so much. I'm going to gift it to everyone. I mean, my brothers and some of my friends. This is Ascent by Ajmal again, and it has citrus. This is the bottle, and this has citrus spices, aromatic woods, and amber musk as per ChatGPT. But there is a grapefruit, and I read that. So these were the notes actually. This was the image I downloaded and these were the notes. Okay, this is saying something different. So this is smelling fresh, aqua. I really don't like this smell. This is actually smelling a little bit like a watermelon. There is no watermelon note in this, but grapefruit and the fruits they have mentioned, I really don't like at all at first, but on drying up this smells nice, like spicy. Not my type. I mean, I didn't like this. Maybe someone else pheromones might like this or crave for this, but not me, not my type. Okay, then sugar and spice from Zudio. I have used it already. Half bottle is finished. This is nice. I mean, I don't like sugars much, sugary smells much. They have not defined, Zudio has not defined its notes, but it has sweet gourmand notes, vanilla, warm spice, caramel like sweetness, and maybe cinnamon, I don't know, some spicy note it has, which I have liked, and that's why I have liked it. Nice it is, sugar and spice. Then toffee drop by Zudio. It has toffee, caramel, vanilla, creamy, gourmet accurate. This is completely smelling like vanilla and all those plum body loving vanilla, body loving vanilla type of smell, toffee or caramel type of smell it has. I am not this. Water Girl also has vanilla and this smells like that. I don't like vanilla and caramel and chocolate smells in perfumes. I like floral and sandalwood and all those, and these are some of my favorites. I like Water Girl, this Tuscan green. You know, whenever I visit Radisson Blu Nasik, so their corridor smells like this. Usually whenever I go there, like at first it smells like alcohol, but yeah, okay. So in the list I wrote some first. Okay, fine. Water Girl Tuscan green, green apple, citrus freshness, floral greens and woody musk. These are the notes, but here are the notes maybe I have downloaded. This was smelling very nice. I mean, this is different, and this is unique fragrance. When I told you, when I go to Radisson Blu, their corridor and all the place smell like this fragrance. Tuscan green, unique fragrance, green apple and what not. Okay, now Water Girl tropical berry. It has mixed berries, tropical fruits, sweet vanilla musk notes, and let us see, do I like it? I like it. I mean, dreamy childhood fragrance. The way I like Eva Dew Dio, the way it smells, it is kind of a similar. I can just keep smelling. Oh my god, it is so mesmerizing, crazy. Tropical berry body splash. So it's literally smells like talcum powder. Most of the talcum powders also smell so amazing. I can just keep on smelling it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And now I'll go for these awesome body mists. Okay, so I liked the Delight one. Delight body mist, fruity floral sweetness, vanilla musk base. Okay, so these are the notes of Awesome Delight. Okay, purple bottle, and this smells so feminine. Like I used to, whenever we used to go to parlor in childhood, every auntie smells like this feminine and respectable and hot sexy auntie used to smell like this. I mean, they are so amazing. They have very nice personality, and this is very feminine fragrance. A unique memory in my mind it has made. So this is that fragrance, which you remember that particular fragrance that most of the respectable and beautiful personality aunts use this type of fragrance. Awesome Delight. Awesome Pleasure body mist. It has notes like, you know, floral fruity accord and sweet musk, they said, but it smells more like strong alcoholic smell like vodka. It smells like sanitizer actually. It is very ordinary smell, not very unique or some, not having very nice or unique, or it doesn't make me curious. It is giving more like a sanitizer vibes. Big no. Cross. Okay. Awesome Blossom. Awesome Blossom. Fresh florals, rose jasmine type accord, powdery musk, they have said. This exactly smells like those detergents or detergent bars with floral fragrances, like Rin or Tide with floral fragrance. Not very nice. These two are big no. I mean, these two, what they have tried to make. So ordinary fragrances. These are cross. No, big no. Big no. It's not recommended at all. These two are not recommended at all. Worst. I mean, I didn't like it. Genuinely, I didn't like it. I don't know about other people's pheromones. Maybe they will crave for these fragrances, but these smell so ordinary. So this is all about this perfume and body mist review.